Hello my dear students, today we are going to solve this very interesting maths Olympiad problem, which is 3 raised to the power m minus 2 raised to the power m is equal to 65, and we have to find the value of m. I decided to solve this problem because this problem includes a number of concepts that we will learn while solving this question. Okay, so before we start solving this problem, I would request you to subscribe to my channel so that you can get more videos, more interesting videos like this on various mathematics Olympiad problems also. So we'll solve this problem in a unique way. Okay, so what I will do is that because this 3 and 2, these are the base, and m here is the representing the is the power or exponent. So if I write this 3 raised to the, I'll just write this 3 raised to the power m, okay, and I'll put it in a bracket, and if I square it, no problem, uh, 3m, and if I square it and then I divide it by 2 also, okay, minus 2 raised to the power m. 2 raised to the power m is already there, and I will just put 2 by 2 also over here, so that is also equal to 65. Okay, because that if this 2 raised to the 2 by 2 will give you 1, and 3 raised to the power m raised to the power n 1 is equal to 3 raised to the power m only. There is no problem in this if I raise this whole bracket by 2 raised to the power 2. Okay, now I can also write this equation as 3 raised to the power m by 2 raised to the power 2. Okay, so I can bring it inside, minus 2 raised to the power m by 2 raised to the power 2, and still I will just equate it with 65, right? So there is no problem in this. So now from here I'll just let 3 raised to the power m by 2, suppose it is equal to x, and let 2 raised to the power m by 2, I'll let it as y. Okay, so what I'm going to get now, I'll just put these values over this in the above equation. So the above equation will be converted into x square minus y square is equal to 65. Okay, so now we can use algebraic identity, because we know that x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. So I can write it as x plus y into x minus y is equal to 65, right? X plus y into x minus y is equal to 65. Moreover, I can do one more thing, that I can factorize this 65 also, because we know that 65 is like 13 5s are 65. So if I factorize it, so I can write that x plus y multiplied by x minus y is equal to 13 into 5. Okay, so that means I can just equate this. I can let this x plus y is equal to 13 and x minus y is equal to 5, because 13 is more than 5. Okay, so if I add x and y, that quantity will definitely be more than the quantity which we obtain after subtracting x and y. So okay, so let's shift on to the other side, because this problem is a bit long. Yeah, so I'll just make two equations. Okay, I'll say, okay, x plus y, let x plus y is equal to, I'll say that x plus y, suppose it is equal to 13, and let me call this as equation number 1, and I let x minus y, and I put it as 5, and I call this as equation number 2. Okay, now I can add these two equations. So if I add these two equations, 1 plus 2, so left hand side when I add them, what I get is x plus x is equal to 2x is equal to, so 13 plus 5 is 18. 13 plus 5 is 18. Or we can say that x will be equal to 18 divided by 2, or we can put it as 9. So we are getting x is equal to 9. Okay. Now I can put the value of x in, suppose, equation number 1 and find the value of y also. So we get, if we put the value of x in equation number 1, what we get is 9 plus y is equal to 13, right? So that means, so what I'll get now, y is equal to, so I'll get y is equal to 13 minus 9. So 13 minus 9, this is equal to 4. So we got the value of x as well as y, right? Now, please remember that we have let x is equal to 3 raised to the power m by 2. Okay, here we have assumed that let x is equal to 3 raised to the power m by 2. So that means our x, which is equal to 3 raised to the power m by 2, and here I have got the value of x as 9, right? So that means I have got this 3 raised to the power m by 2 is equal to 9. Okay, or I can say that 3 raised to the power m by 2 is equal to 9. Now 9 can be written as 3 raised to the power 2. So in this equation we find that the base is same, so we can equate the powers. That means I can say that m raised to the power m by 2 will be equal to 2. So we have got m by 2 is equal to 2, which implies that m will be equal to how much? So we obtain m is equal to 4. So this is the value that we have got. M is equal to 4. The beauty of this technique is that we can cross check also whether our answer is correct or not. We can cross check also. So if I want to cross check, so what I will do is, so I take the original equation, so I'll just put a check over here. So let's do a check. So our original equation was 3 raised to the power m minus 2 raised to the power m is equal to 65. So if I put m is equal to 4 on the left hand side, what I will get is 3 raised to the power 4 minus 2 raised to the power 4. On right side I have 65, right? Now what is 3 raised to the power 4? See, 3 raised to the power 4 is equal to 2 to the 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So we have 81 minus 2 raised to the power 4 is 2 to the 4, 2 are 8, 2 are 16. And if I subtract this 81 from 16, what I will get is 65. So 65 is equal to 65. So that means our left hand side is equal to right hand side. That means our answer is correct. Okay. So now we have solved this problem. So I hope that you have liked this question and the technique through which we have solved it. So thanks for watching the video, and see you soon in my next video. Bye.